Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the art of budget traveling, how to save money on your adventures. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the world without breaking the bank, this video is for you. We will uncover the secrets and strategies to help you realize your travel dreams, even on a tight budget. Our journey begins with destination selection. Not all places are created equal when it comes to affordability. Research is your best friend here. Look for countries and cities that are known to be budget-friendly. Southeast Asia, parts of South America, and Eastern Europe often offer fantastic value for travelers. Now, let's talk about travel planning. One of the most effective ways to save money is by traveling during off-peak seasons. This means fewer crowds and lower prices for flights, accommodations, and activities. And remember, flexibility is key. Be open to adjusting your travel dates to take advantage of the best deals. Accommodations can eat up a significant portion of your budget, so let's explore some options. Hostels and guest houses, these are budget traveler staples. They're affordable, often well-located, and perfect for meeting fellow travelers. Airbnb, this platform can provide unique and often cheaper lodging options, especially if you're traveling with a group. Camping, for the more adventurous among us, camping can be a great way to stay close to nature and save money. Now, let's move on to transportation, budget airlines, and bus services. Keep an eye out for budget airlines and long-distance bus services. They can offer substantial savings, especially for regional travel, public transportation. In cities, public transportation is often affordable and convenient. It's usually much cheaper than taxis or rental cars. Food. One of the highlights of travel. Here are some tips on saving money while dining, street food and local eateries. Sampling street food and dining at local, non-touristy restaurants can be both delicious and budget-friendly, cooking your own meals. Consider staying in accommodations with kitchen facilities. Preparing your meals can save a lot over the course of your trip. Travel isn't just about where you stay and how you get there, it's about what you do when you arrive. Here's how to enjoy activities and sightseeing without overspending: free and low-cost attractions. Many cities offer free or low-cost attractions such as museums, parks, and hiking trails, city passes and discount cards. Look into city passes or discount cards that bundle attractions for a reduced price. Next, let's explore some travel hacks and tips to maximize your savings, travel rewards and miles. Consider using travel rewards credit cards and loyalty programs to accumulate miles and get discounts on flights and accommodations. Travel insurance. Don't forget about travel insurance. It's a small investment that can save you a fortune in case of unexpected expenses. Packing smart is another way to save money. Packing light. Traveling with only carry-on luggage can help you avoid baggage fees and make your journey more convenient. Renting gear. For specialized activities like hiking, skiing, or diving, consider renting gear at your destination instead of buying it. And there you have it, the art of budget traveling. With these tips and strategies, you can explore the world on a budget and turn your travel dreams into reality. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but the experiences you gain along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Thanks for joining us today and happy travels on your next budget adventure.